What's going on, guys? I'm new to this. This is my Chevy 1500 HD. Haven't started this truck in about 3-4 months. Well, battery's not dead, so that's a good thing. Going on, guys, this is ChevyGuy 6.0. Starting making new videos on my truck, so I started customizing it. Start off is a 2003 Chevy 1500 HD. It's a 6.0 4L80 transmission. It is a 4x4. It's got the 8-wheel lugs. It's an LT package. Yes, I had to put a spare on that. My tire got flat. This truck's been sitting for about 3-4 months. I've done so many things to this truck since I first got it. I purchased this truck off some landscaping guys about 3-4 years ago, I believe, and I got it for $1,500 bucks. I couldn't turn up the deal, so I got it. It was really beat up. Had a lot of things wrong with it. Little by little, I've been fixing it. It is completely stock. I have not done real big upgrades to it. Pretty much just for it to be a runner, so I can get it out and about. It got hit here pretty hard, so that bumper had been replaced. The bumper was bad. There ain't much to it. It's got okay, decent paint. It's all leather inside. I don't really like the tan leather. It's got the BOSE system, electric windows, the mirrors go inside, heated seats, electric lock. It is an electric 4x4, as you can see. It's got the auto 4-wheel drive, which I like that. It's all beat up. It came like this when I got it. Like I told you, I haven't been able to do much to this truck. I will not consider it my daily driver because it's been parked on the porch this whole time. The truck's been parked for a while. Oh, there it is. There's that other cover that goes right there. So the truck's been parked here for a while. It is dirty. The backside is pretty much nice and clean. There's no tears on it. But man, I need to get this truck, clean it up nice and good, because it's really dirty, and I don't really like to have my trucks real dirty. But I mean, I don't really use this truck, so I'm trying to fix it up, make it look. It's a 6.0 gas. I installed a cold air intake on this truck. It runs good. It had a bunch of oil leaks, coolant leaks, check engine light, you name it. Little by little I've been fixing it. It's got a new battery on it. The old battery would drain itself out for some reason. Not able to find the short. It had been parked for 3 months, but I mean, this battery didn't die for some odd reason. Not one oil drip on this truck. It is pretty good shape. I did the oil pan gasket, the rear main seal, and the rear structure seal as well. Transmission's been rebuilt. The transfer case has been rebuilt as well. This trucks have a real bad issue with those transfer case. The gear pump digs holes into the housing, which they start leaking, and then it's either you would have to buy a new transfer case, which sometimes they're hard to find.